what's up, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how I usually do this personalized round acrylic keychains that I sell on my shop. And this keychain is a very nice gift for any occasions, and other than that, it is very easy and very simple to do. So let's start. So here are the materials that we're gonna need for this one. You'll obviously need an acrylic round, and I got mine from Amazon. And also you'll need different colors of acrylic paint. You can choose whatever color you like. And also a polyacrylic to seal the acrylic paint on the back. So as you can see here, I already put on my notes all the orders that I have to do. And at the bottom part, I put the total of each colors that I have to do so that I don't have to go back and forth and it won't confuse me anymore. And also, I already had 2 blue pre-made for my last order, so I just deducted it from the total of blues that I have to do for this order. So as you can see here, I'm just putting out the acrylic rounds that I have to use, and also I'm gonna take off one side of the cover on the acrylic round so I can paint them. So right here, I just realized that it will be faster and easier for me to finish these orders if I remove one side of the covering of the acrylic rounds before I paint them. So as you can see here, I started painting the acrylic rounds already, and I started doing the teal ones. So I'll just do this over and over again, and I'm just gonna change the colors based on the orders I have. And when I'm finally done doing the painting for the acrylic rounds, I'm just gonna set it aside for it to dry. While waiting for that, I started doing and making the names that I have to put on the acrylic rounds. Just preparing the names to be cut by my cricut, and I believed I used the holographic settings for this one, and I just adjusted the settings from default to more pressure. So Cricut is doing its job on cutting the names that I'm gonna put on the acrylic rounds for later, I decided to seal the part where we put on the paint at the acrylic rounds a while ago. So I weeded out the vinyls that I don't need for this one, and also I'm cutting them by names so that I can put them on the top of each acrylic rounds, and it will make my job more organized and more easier, and it won't confuse me and I won't get mixed up. And here I'm just gonna show you on how I do it and what I mean. And yeah, just like that. So I'm gonna take off the covering of the other side of the acrylic rounds, and I'm gonna prepare my vinyl for transfer by putting it at the top of the transfer tape and then transferring it to the acrylic round itself. And I'm just gonna do it over and over again until I finish this group of orders I have. So enjoy me watching transferring the vinyls to the acrylic rounds. So once I'm done transferring the vinyls to each acrylic round, I'm gonna attach it to the keychain itself, and then I'm gonna put on a tassel according to the color of each acrylic rounds. And that's pretty much everything that I do when I make this acrylic keychains. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel as well. And I'll see you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye.